Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. First up, the FDA has granted Wugen's investigational CAR-T therapy, WU-CART-007, breakthrough therapy designation for treating relapsed T-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia and T-cell lymphoblastic lymphoma. This designation, granted on January 21, 2026, will accelerate the development and review of the therapy. This marks a significant step forward for the potential treatment of these aggressive T-cell malignancies. Next, ImmunityBio has reported promising Phase 2 data for ANKTIVA plus CAR-NK in the treatment of recurrent glioblastoma. The ongoing trial, as of January 23, 2026, shows encouraging results, with the combination therapy demonstrating positive immune competence and survival benefits. This could offer a new standard in the treatment of glioblastoma, with potential for improved patient outcomes. In a major development, Intellia has resumed its CRISPR trial after the FDA lifted the clinical hold placed following a patient death. The Magnitude and Magnitude 2 studies, which are investigating Intellia's CRISPR therapy for transthyretin amyloidosis, are set to move forward. This resumption could pave the way for a breakthrough treatment in this rare, fatal disease. Ultragenyx has announced long-term data from its Phase 1/2 trial of RGX-111 gene therapy in children with Sanfilippo syndrome. As of February 3, 2026, the therapy has shown sustained biomarker improvements and clinical benefits across multiple developmental domains, providing hope for long-term treatment options in this neurodegenerative disease. However, REGENXBIO faces a regulatory challenge, as the FDA has placed a hold on its RGX-111 and RGX-121 gene therapies, following a case of neoplasm in the RGX-111 trial. While no similar events have been reported in other participants, the investigation continues, potentially delaying progress in rare genetic diseases. On a more positive note, Taysha Gene Therapies has dosed the first patient in its pivotal trial for TSHA-102, a gene therapy for Rett syndrome. The REVEAL trial, which was initiated on February 2, 2026, is a critical step toward developing a treatment for this rare neurodevelopmental disorder. Taysha is also working closely with the FDA to align on BLA submission plans. In China, AstraZeneca has made a bold move by announcing a $15 billion investment in cell therapy and radioconjugates. The investment, planned to support R&D and manufacturing through 2030, underscores China's growing influence in biopharma and international collaborations. This will enhance AstraZeneca's capabilities in the rapidly evolving field of cell therapy. Lastly, ImmunityBio has launched a Phase 2 trial to evaluate its chemotherapy-free CAR-NK cell therapy in indolent non-Hodgkin lymphoma. This trial, which began on February 2, 2026, is exploring a regimen combining CAR-NK and ANKTIVA, potentially offering a less toxic treatment option for lymphoma patients. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.